Hello everyone, welcome to Login Giant. In this video, we'll learn how to comment GIFs on Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get into the video. First, go ahead and open up Instagram on your device. Once the app opens up, find the post in which you want to comment. Open the comment section and open the GIF section from your keyboard and then tap on it to post. Now as you can see, the GIF is not being posted. So in this case, what are we gonna do is navigate to your profile and then select the three horizontal line in the upper right corner. Now tap settings and now scroll down and select the help option. Once the help page opens up, select report a problem. Now follow the instructions given on the screen and then select report a problem and tap include and continue. And from here in the box, briefly explain what's your issue or what's not working in your Instagram. And the problem would be reported and the help center will look after your issue. Well, this process cannot be guaranteed 100%, but this is the best way to solve the issue. So we hope you find this video helpful. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more helpful tutorials.